64 million people, Maharashtra stands as one of India's most urbanized states, with 51% of its population residing in 428 cities. Recognizing the critical need for enhanced sanitation, especially for its urban poor communities, the state has committed to achieving universal access to improved sanitation facilities. Aligned with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, Maharashtra's vision is to provide safely managed sanitation through comprehensive strategies that include universal access to individual household toilets, fecal sludge and septage management, and used water management. These initiatives are designed to foster inclusive sanitation solutions accessible to all communities. In 2015, the Swachh Maharashtra Mission Urban was launched as part of the National Swachh Bharat Mission, spearheading state-facilitated and local government-driven initiatives aimed at transforming urban public health infrastructure. By October 1, 2017, Maharashtra had achieved a major milestone, declaring all urban areas open defecation-free. This achievement not only marked the state as a pioneer in India's sanitation efforts, but also brought the vision of the Swachh Bharat Mission into a tangible reality, setting a precedent for other states to follow.
त्याच्यानंतर सरकारी टॉयलेट आले, त्यामुळे थोडेफार हे झाले. स्वच्छता घरीच झाल्यानंतर ते स्वच्छतेचा मोठा प्रॉब्लेम.
Building on its achievement of ODF status, Maharashtra is now ambitiously advancing towards complete, safely managed sanitation.
आपल्याला माहिती आहे की एखादे शहर हागणदारी मुक्त असणे किंवा ओपन डिफिकेशन फ्री असणे ही जी कन्सेप्ट फक्त त्यांना वैयक्तिक शौचालय बांधून किंवा सार्वजनिक शौचालयाचा ॲक्सेस देणे असं नाही, तर ज्या शौचालयांना आपण सेप्टिक टँक देतो तर आपली जबाबदारी आहे की ते सेप्टिक टँक वेळेवर उपसा झाला पाहिजे.
To ensure the ongoing success of their ODF status, the government of Maharashtra introduced a 7-point sustainability charter. This comprehensive plan extends beyond simply promoting access to toilets.
ODF++ मध्ये तुमच्याकडे किमान FSTP तरी पाहिजे त्या महिलेवर प्रक्रिया करण्यासाठी. म्हणजे तुमच्याजवळ त्या शौचालयाचा महिला कलेक्शन करणारी एक वेगळी सिस्टीम पाहिजे आणि कलेक्ट झालेला महिला प्रक्रिया करण्यासाठी तुमच्याजवळ एखादी पॅरलल सिस्टीम पाहिजे. त्यावेळी तुम्ही ODF++ होता.
Maharashtra's strategy for sustained sanitation success involves a holistic approach by focusing on the full sanitation life cycle, from initial access to containment, conveyance, treatment, and effective reuse and disposal. The state sets a benchmark for comprehensive, sustainable sanitation and ensuring effective resource planning and management. In particular, with the majority of cities relying on on-site sanitation systems like septic tanks, fecal sludge management has become a critical component of Maharashtra's sustainability efforts. Recognizing this, the state has prioritized it within the charter to ensure effective and environmentally safe waste processing. The state embarked on a transformative journey to address fecal waste treatment through a two-pronged approach. A. Co-treatment at existing sewage treatment plants, and B. Construction of independent fecal sludge treatment plants. To streamline this initiative, cities were categorized based on their existing infrastructure and needs. Category A and B were designed to optimize existing infrastructure. Through a government resolution, a co-treatment process was established, where cities that have existing sewage treatment plants but not full sewerage coverage can treat the septage collected from on-site systems. In addition to this, the Urban Development Department identified potential cities that can co-treat their septage at sewage treatment plants located within 20-kilometer distance from the plant. This approach maximizes resource use and extends treatment coverage across the state. For Category C, the focus has been on establishing independent FSTPs to guarantee that every urban area has access to proper waste treatment. Through meticulous planning and execution, the state has built over 230 FSTPs. In its commitment to advancing fecal sludge management, Maharashtra, with support from Center for Water and Sanitation, initiated a thorough selection process for the most appropriate treatment technologies, which was evaluated by NEERI.
पूर्ण FSTP हा नेचर बेस्ड टेक्नॉलॉजीवरती अवलंबून आहे. ह्याच्यामध्ये पॉवर कन्झम्पशन एकदम कमी प्रमाणात आहे. बेडमध्ये आपण नवीन एक इम्प्रूव्हमेंट केलेलं आहे. तर आता आपण त्याच्यामध्ये शेडनेट बसवलेला आहे. प्लांटेड ग्रॅव्हल फिल्टर हा कर्दळ वगैरे अशा झाडं म्हणजे वनस्पतीने भरलेला आहे. याच्यामध्ये ओडर पर्टिक्युलरली त्याचा कमी होतो आणि प्रत्येक बेडला 4 चेंबर्स आहेत मागं आणि ते चेंबर्स कनेक्टेड थ्रू ग्रॅव्हिटीच्या ह्याच्यानुसार ते डिझाईन केलेलं असल्यामुळं एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट एकदम मिनिमम आहे या प्लांटला.
The Urban Development Department, through its Technical Support Unit, CWAS, facilitated the creation of model DPRs for FSTPs. Tailored to accommodate 5 different city population categories, these DPRs ensure that each urban area in Maharashtra can implement a solution scaled to its specific needs. To enhance the efficiency of establishing FSTPs, Maharashtra introduced a single window approach. This streamlined system consolidates all necessary administrative and technical approvals.
गव्हर्नमेंटनं जसं ज्यामुळे मंजुरी दिली त्यामुळे आमचा जो 3-4 महिने हा पिरियड लागणार होता त्याचं टेक्निकल सँक्शन घ्यायला, एस्टिमेट करायला आणि ते प्रशासकीय मंजुरीला तो पूर्ण वाचला आमचा. त्यामुळं जे 6 महिने आधी आम्ही आपला FSTP फंक्शनल करू शकलो. अशी सिंगल विंडो सिस्टीम कंपल्शन झाल्यामुळे उलट ॲट अ सिंगल स्टेज सिंगल पॉईंट आपल्याला सगळीकडे एका वेळी FSTP इम्प्लिमेंट करणं शक्य झालं. हे प्रत्येक स्थानिक स्वराज्य संस्थेच्या ठिकाणी असे FSTP वगैरे उभा करणं ह्याला कोणी जास्त म्हणजे महत्त्व देत नाही. ज्यावेळी शासनानं 14 वित्त आयोगातनं तुम्ही FSTP घ्या असं कंपल्शन केलं त्यामुळं प्रत्येक ULBला एक उत्पन्नाचा मार्ग मिळाला की ज्यातनं ते ह्या FSTP सारख्या सुविधा उभा करू शकतात.
The single window approach comprises of 2 key approving authorities. The Urban Development Department provides statewide administrative approval to city government for utilizing the 14th Finance Commission funds as capital expenditure for constructing FSTPs. The Water Supply and Sanitation Department, Maharashtra Jeevan Pradhikaran, provides technical approval including technical designs, templates and tender documents. Leveraging pre-approved designs and templates accelerated the construction of FSTPs, while mandatory third-party technical audits ensured quality at every stage, resulting in effective treatment processes and a high-quality, safe outlet from the plant. To further support the process, Maharashtra organized training workshops and developed comprehensive resource materials, empowering local government and stakeholders to effectively manage and maintain the FSTPs.
इथं सुरक्षा साधनं म्हणून गमबूट दिले जातात, हँड ग्लोव्ज आणि मास्क दिले जाते की जेणेकरून मैल्याचा आणि शरीराचा संपर्क येऊ नये. हा प्रकल्प 2020 साली सुरू झाला. शिवाय कामगारांचा विमा काढलेला आहे सुरक्षेच्या हेतूने.
While building sanitation infrastructure is essential, operating it effectively is just as vital. Timely emptying of septic tanks ensures a steady and regulated load to FSTPs, maintaining system efficiency. Government guidelines recommend that septic tanks be desludged every 2 to 3 years to maintain effective sanitation systems. In line with this, a government circular issued on 30th November 2022 formalized the adoption of scheduled desludging across Maharashtra. A few cities have successfully pioneered this approach, serving as a model for others to learn from and follow their lead. To support this approach, cities such as Y and Sinnar have implemented innovative financing models. These include a performance-based financing model and a sanitation tax, demonstrating resource equity, mobilization, and accountability in sanitation service delivery.
आता नगरपालिकेने जी सेवा आता द्यायला सुरुवात जी केली आहे ह्या सर्व्हिसमुळे त्यांना आता एकदम कम्फर्टेबल झालेलं आहे आणि ही सर्व्हिस पूर्वीच्या तुलनेच्या मानाने जर विचार केला तर अतिशय सुरेख आणि चांगल्या पद्धतीची वाटते.
In order to ensure effective monitoring of FSSM and promote safe, inclusive service delivery, Maharashtra has introduced a range of IT-enabled systems, Maha SaniTrack, SaniTab, and SaniChatbot, which enhance the efficiency, inclusivity, and transparency of sanitation services across the state. Truck operators can report information on protocols during the desludging service and the subsequent safe disposal of sludge at the FSTPs rather than unsafe dumping. SaniChatbot is a WhatsApp-based chatbot system that allows for daily reporting by the FSTP's operators. These applications provide an additional layer of accessibility and oversight, making it easier for the state to keep track of sanitation operations in real time. Through dashboards, they also enable local and state officials to track coverage and efficiency of service. Maharashtra's sanitation strategy not only drives progress in innovative models and strategic implementations, but also prioritizes community involvement. A key focus is the integration of self-help groups into various aspects of sanitation service delivery. Maharashtra boasts a vibrant SHG culture, and SHGs have been pivotal in achieving ODF status by mobilizing communities and promoting safe sanitation practices.
माझ्याकडे फक्त तेव्हा 5,000 रुपये होते. मला त्यासाठी खडी वाळू वगैरे आणण्यासाठी पैसे कमी होते. मग त्यातून बचत गटातनं घेतले, काही शासनाकडनं घेतले. त्यानंतर मग टॉयलेट बांधलं, तेव्हा परिस्थिती जरा व्यवस्थित झाली.
As the state progresses to ODF++, SHGs have taken on expanded roles such as O&M of treatment of plants. This evolution underscores their increasing responsibility in sustaining and enhancing sanitation services.
विशेषतः महिलांचे बचत गट निर्मिती करणं, त्यांना वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचं प्रशिक्षण देणं आणि स्वच्छ भारत अभियानांतर्गत कामं बचत गटातील महिलांना मिळवून दिल्या गेली. ह्या उद्योग व्यवसायामधून त्यांचं कुटुंब चांगल्या पद्धतीनं ग्रोथ करण्यासाठी, आर्थिक बाजू सक्षम करण्यासाठी नक्कीच या ठिकाणी महिलांना मदत झाल्याचं महिला स्वतःच सांगता आहेत.
आम्हाला किंवा एखादी ताकद दिली का एखादं नुसतं चूल आणि मूल न सांभाळता स्त्रीनं कुठंतरी पुढं निघालं पाहिजे. आम्हाला जे आता पैसे भेटतोय त्याच्यामधून आम्ही आमच्या पोरांचं शिक्षण व्यवस्थित करतोय. सगळ्यात जास्त आनंदी आहे.
The convergence of SHGs with national programs like the National Urban Livelihood Mission and the Swachh Bharat Mission has amplified their impact. Maharashtra's sanitation journey, facilitated by state and led by the cities, is set to become a model of community impact and innovation for the future.
मला पण खरंच अभिमान वाटतोय की मी ह्या एक स्वच्छता चळवळीचा एक भाग बनून मी काम करतोय आज इथं.
Through the lens of SBM 2.0, Maharashtra's commitment to sustainable sanitation is evident in its focus on used water management, circularity, and financial investment. As it works towards achieving ODF++ to Water Plus status in all cities, the state is integrating primary treatment systems for safe sanitation and treated water reuse. This commitment, supported by political will and infrastructure development, aims to ensure cleaner, healthier communities while safeguarding public health and dignity. This legacy will inspire generations, positioning Maharashtra as a luminary in global sanitation reform.